So what's up guys? So kanina meron tayong release Expander GLS Automatic. So yung client natin is classmate ko siya dati nung high school. So isa siyang OFW guys, and single kasi itong classmate natin. So pag single is special power of attorney yun with consularized. So okay naman kay classmate, so willing siya mag-comply. So ang naging main principal borrower natin dito is yung brother niya, then co-maker yung nasa abroad. So guys, kahit nasa ibang bansa kayo, pwede natin makuha yung dream car nyo. So itong classmate ko, through messenger lang kami nag-uusap, then sa date of release, pumunta na lang yung kapatid niya tsaka yung father niya para mag-sign ng document. So ganun lang kasmooth yung transaction natin guys. So kaya naman sa mga ibang OFW dyan na single at nahihirapan magpa-approve, mag-message lang kayo sa akin guys. Tututukan natin yung application nyo and i-guide ko kayo sa tamang process. So yun lang guys, thank you, bye bye.